How to redeem Mistplay gift card 2025 method. Have you ever stared at your Mistplay points and wondered, are these actually real money, or just digital numbers that never turn into anything useful? Most people get this wrong, but here's why. Mistplay points absolutely can become real rewards, and when you redeem them the right way, they can pay for gift cards, online shopping, mobile top-ups, and even digital subscriptions. The surprising truth is, a lot of users lose value simply because they don't know the smartest way to redeem. Today, you are going to learn exactly how to redeem your Mistplay gift card in 2025, step by step, in a simple, safe, and stress-free way. You'll also discover how to avoid the most common mistakes, how to get your reward faster, and how to squeeze the maximum value out of every point you earn. By the end of this video, you will know how to turn your gameplay into something you can actually use in real life. Let's start from the beginning. Mistplay is a loyalty platform for mobile gamers. You earn points, also called units, by downloading games, playing them, and reaching milestones. Those points can be exchanged for gift cards and other rewards. The entire system is built around rewarding your time and engagement. But here's the part most people misunderstand. Your Mistplay points don't automatically turn into rewards. You must manually redeem them, and the way you redeem them can affect how fast you get your reward, what kind of gift cards you can choose, and even how much your points are worth. So let's go through the exact redemption process. First, open your Mistplay app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into the correct account that holds your points. On the main screen, you'll see your total point balance near the top of the app. Tap on the reward section. This is where all available gift cards and digital rewards are listed. You'll see options like popular online retailers, entertainment platforms, food delivery services, and sometimes even prepaid Visa-style cards, depending on your region. Scroll through the list and choose the gift card you want. Each gift card shows the number of points required. For example, you might see a $10 gift card for 3,000 points or a $25 gift card for 7,500 points. These values can vary slightly by location and time. Once you've selected your gift card, tap on it to see the details. Confirm that the reward amount, brand, and delivery method are correct. Most Mistplay gift cards are delivered digitally, meaning you will receive a code rather than a physical card. Now tap the Redeem button. Mistplay will ask you to confirm your redemption. After confirming, your points will be deducted immediately. Here's where most people start to worry. Your gift card is not always delivered instantly. In many cases, it can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours, and sometimes up to 24 to 48 hours, depending on demand and verification. When your gift card is ready, Mistplay will notify you in the app. You can also check the My Rewards or Reward History section to see your redeemed items. Tap on the redeemed reward to view your gift card code. You'll see a long code or barcode, depending on the brand. This is the code you will use to redeem your gift card on the retailer's website or app. Now let's talk about how to use that gift card. Open the website or app of the brand you selected. Log into your account there. Go to the gift card or promo code section, usually found during checkout or in your account settings. Enter the Mistplay gift card code exactly as shown. Confirm, and the gift card balance will be applied to your account. You can now shop, order, or subscribe using that balance. That's the basic process. But now let's go deeper and talk about how to do this smarter. The surprising truth about Mistplay redemptions is that not all gift cards give you the same value for your points. Sometimes, a $10 gift card might cost fewer points than two $5 gift cards combined. That means you get more money for the same number of points if you choose the larger reward. So always compare the point-to-dollar ratio before redeeming. Look for the option that gives you the lowest points per dollar. Another smart tip is to watch for special promotions. Mistplay sometimes offers limited-time discounts where certain gift cards require fewer points. If you wait for those deals, you can stretch your points much further. Now let's address some common problems and how to fix them. What if your gift card does not arrive? First, check your reward history section in the Mistplay app. If it shows as pending, give it up to 48 hours. If it shows as completed but you don't see a code, refresh the app, log out and back in, and check again. If it still does not appear, contact Mistplay support through the in-app help section. Provide your username, the reward you redeemed, and the date of redemption. Mistplay support is usually responsive and can resend your code if needed. What if your gift card code does not work? Double-check that you entered the code correctly. Make sure there are no extra spaces and that you selected the correct brand website. Some codes only work in certain countries or regions. If it still does not work, contact the retailer first, then must play if needed. Now let's talk about something that can dramatically improve your experience. Always redeem when you are ready to use the gift card. Gift cards can sometimes expire or become invalid if left unused for long periods, depending on the retailer. Redeeming right before you plan to shop ensures you get full value. Let's walk through a real-world example. Imagine you have 8,000 points. You want to buy an online game subscription that costs about $25. You open Must Play and see two options. One is a $10 gift card for 3,200 points, and another is a $25 gift card for 7,500 points. If you choose two $10 cards, you would spend 6,400 points for $20. Then you would still need another 1,600 points for the remaining $5. But if you choose the $25 card, you spend 7,500 points and get the full amount immediately, saving you points and time. Now you can see how choosing the right redemption option makes a difference. Let's also talk about safety. Must Play gift card redemptions are safe as long as you redeem directly through the app and use the codes only on official retailer websites or apps. Never share your gift card codes publicly. Anyone who gets your code can use your balance. Now here's a powerful mindset shift. Most people treat Must Play as a casual game app, but when you think of it as a tight reward system, you start using it smarter. You focus on games that give higher points per minute, you redeem at the best value, and you plan your redemptions around real-life expenses. Over time, this turns your casual gaming into a real benefit. Some users pay for streaming subscriptions. Others use Must Play gift cards for groceries, digital downloads, or mobile top-ups. The platform is flexible. You just need to use it intentionally. Now let's wrap everything up. Redeeming your Must Play gift card in 2025 is simple, safe, and rewarding when you know the exact steps. Open the app, go to Rewards, choose the best value gift card, confirm your redemption, wait for your digital code, and apply it on the retailer's website. Avoid rushing. Compare point values. Watch for promotions. Redeem only when you are ready to use the card, and always keep your account information secure. If you follow these steps, you turn your playtime into something that truly pays you back. You won't just be playing games anymore. You'll be earning real rewards on your terms. And now you know exactly how to do it.